So what Bollywood has done to our romantic lives, porn has done to our sexual lives. Sex education, sexuality education is not just about having sex. You get your understanding of sex through either porn first or a cousin who's equally dumb. Is choking bad itself? What is a normal penis? What is a normal vagina? All of this getting hijacked.
Where people say it affects a person's psychology. It will make you sex addict. You will never be able to find a partner or satisfy your partner because your desires have reached a certain standards that. Hello everyone, welcome back to What's the Point, and in today's episode we are diving into a slightly sensitive topic. I'm talking about sex education and sexual wellness. And to discuss this sensitive area, I have with me Deepak Kashyap, who is a psychologist and a sex therapist. So Deepak, like I just mentioned, you are a sex therapist, and I think when we are in India, in a country like India where people are even, sex. People are so, tiptoeing around the topic sex or sexual education or anything related to sexual wellness, anything. I would want to ask you, have you seen that there is any certain age bar where, in India at least, that this is an age that students in schools or wherever need to be introduced to sex or sex education, but if you think that it should be even younger?
So see, a lot of the times what happens is that whenever you don't know something about something, that should not make you an expert on it. But we live in a country where celibate men will tell you what's good sex, what's good sexuality. Celibate women will tell you that. It's basically somehow we think that if you don't do it, you know it.
Yeah.
Right? Sexual morality is in the hands of people who don't do it, who say we don't do it.
Yeah.
That's one point. Second, this also gives you an understanding that there is no scientific understanding of sexuality, or very little.
Right.
Like in a country of 1.4 billion people, scientific understanding, वैज्ञानिक समझ बहुत कम है इसके बारे में. जैसे आपका क्वेश्चन अपने आप में, आप क्वेश्चन देखिए, आपने कहा कि किस एज पे पढ़ाना चाहिए सेक्सुअल. सेक्सुअलिटी कोई एक ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो एक एज के बाद ही चालू होती है. इट्स लाइक लैंग्वेज.
Right.
You teach few things in kindergarten, then you teach few things when people are in, pre-primary, then primary, then so this is how you go. Everything is graduate. So sexuality is not, sexual education, sex education, sexuality education is not just about having sex. That's a tiny part of it, which should come when you've achieved that age.
Right.
The legal age.
Right.
Right? Before that, it is also about understanding your body.
Of course.
For example, for girls who are just attaining puberty, how about we teach them about periods? How about them not thinking that this blood's coming out of my body, I'm going to die?
Yeah.
Right? So, sex education, sexual act education ही नहीं है. ये समझना बहुत important.
Right.
Sex education is about your body. I think this term itself, sex education, is a bhayavah term. It's a term that makes you scared.
Yeah.
It should be body education. It should be relationship education. It should be education that helps you establish a sense of who you are in this body that you're alive in.
Right.
So, सेक्स एजुकेशन अपने आप में, जब तक हम इसे सिर्फ सेक्स एजुकेशन कहते रहेंगे, हम इससे डरते रहेंगे, क्योंकि हम सेक्स के बारे में वैसे भी उतना नहीं जानते हैं. हम एक ऐसी जगह पर रहते हैं, अब दुनिया में बहुत जगह ऐसा ही होता है, where you get your sex education or you get your understanding of sex through either porn first or a cousin who's equally dumb.
Yeah.
Or a friend who doesn't know any better. Right? So bro science or gym bros who have no understanding of the history, the science, the sociology of what they're talking about. Right? Which is not to say मुझे ही सब कुछ पता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जिन्हें नहीं पता है उनकी आवाज़ थोड़ी सी ऊंची है.
Right.
तो विज्ञान क्या, चिल्लाने में विज्ञान आगे नहीं जाता.
Right.
So if only science sold, then we would be living in a very different world altogether. Right now, you being loud, You being obnoxious, you being, scary, that sells. ये मत करिए, ये हो जाएगा, वो मत करिए. The whole model right now is around danger, dysfunction, and
Right.
disgust. I want the model to be around consent. I want the model to be around consequences. I want the model to be around desire. I want the model to be around relationships.
Yeah.
And all of this starts from the beginning. You can teach a child of how to be, like for example, good touch, bad touch,
Yeah.
right? You can, that is nothing else but body education.
Right.
So you start from the beginning. You don't just bombard, it's all age appropriate things.
Right.
And age appropriateness is decided by three things: the science of it, the culture, and the context. आप किस culture में हो?
Right.
आपका context क्या है? आप rural background से आए हो, आप urban background से आए हो, which doesn't mean that science will change. It means
Yeah.
the delivery methods would change.
Right.
Right? So ये मेरा short and long answer है कि we are looking at it in a wrong way.
Right.
The name sex education.
Right. The entire foundation in
Yeah.
itself is flawed.
Yeah. Imagine if we just said relationship and body education.
Right.
And now when you're in college, I'll also give you porn education of how to consume porn if you are consuming porn.
Right.
How to not think of it as, like today, nobody tells us how to consume Instagram.
Right.
So when whatever we see on Instagram, we think that's real. We
Yeah.
do not know how many filters this picture, this video has
Right.
gone through. And we think that is reality. So what Bollywood has done to our romantic lives, porn has done to our sexual lives.
Right.
We have these romantic and visions of who we can be in bed
Right.
and what normal is
Correct.
and what fun is and what good is.
Yeah.
And the most important, what enough is.
Yeah.
Right? So when you don't have any understanding of how to use the tool that you've been given, you end up using that badly. You're cutting your
Right.
own fingers.
Right. So when people talk about porn consumption, does it also, there's a lot of, I think it might be a misconception or maybe not, but there's a lot of, I don't know, air around it where people say it affects a person psychologically, and then
Everything.
it will
Yeah.
make you sex addict, or
Yeah.
I don't know, you will never be able to find a partner or satisfy your partners because your desires have reached a certain standards that probably in real life you are not going to find.
Right. See, again, this is a very misunderstood and misjudged idea. Everything you consume on the internet changes your mind.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you, this is changing my mind. I hope I'm able to. So it's that to say that something will change your mind in and of itself is not a danger sign.
Right.
To consume something without interacting with it critically will affect you badly, for sure. आप मुझसे कोई सवाल पूछें, मैं आपको बेमतलब के जवाब दूं और आप मुझे चैलेंज ही ना करें. आप उसे ही सच माने और वही दिखाएं क्योंकि वो सेल हो रहा है.
Yeah.
That is problematic.
Right.
Eating McDonald's maybe once a week or once a month, sure. If you eat McDonald's every day, what's going to happen to your health?
Yeah.
Right? So your relationship with food, your relationship with romance, your relationship with porn is all decided by how do you engage with it.
Right.
Do you engage with it as a coping mechanism? Do you engage with romance as a coping mechanism for life? मेरे जीवन में बस मुझे वो एक लड़का मिल जाए, मैं सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा. Because that is one answer to all of
Yeah.
my problems. That is a problem.
Right.
When porn becomes the reason for you to lose your job, the reason for you to lose your relationship, and when it becomes a reason, sure, that way, I mean, you could also eat a lot
Yeah.
and destroy your health.
Right.
आप जब सेक्स को खाने से जोड़कर देखेंगे,
Yeah.
शरीर की भूख से जोड़कर देखेंगे, आप एक नई चीज सीख पाएंगे बिना शर्म के. लेकिन
Yeah.
जहां आपने शर्म लगा दी उसमें, आप सीखेंगे कुछ नहीं, फिर आप सिखाने के मूड में हैं.
Right.
और आपको खुद को नहीं पता आप क्या सिखाना चाहते हैं. Right? So the idea is that when you're talking about sex, please keep shame away.
Yeah.
Replace shame with responsibility.
Right.
Responsibility. आप किसी को मना करेंगे आप खाना मत खाओ, नहीं, आप कहोगे न्यूट्रिशियस खाना, रिस्पॉन्सिबली खाओ.
Right.
Yeah, there are certain things that you should never do, but वो conversation वहाँ तक पहुँच ही नहीं पाता है.
Right.
Because see, porn consumption is largely a private activity.
Correct.
I do not have others to tell me in that moment what is right, what is not.
Right.
I am there alone, horny,
Yeah.
without coping skills,
Right.
without critical relationship to it.
Right.
Like
And
what's
a-
happening.
And a vast sea
Right.
in front of me.
Correct.
I could pick
And
anything.
then no one is there to challenge the idea. Oh, does every woman like to be choked? No.
Right.
Is choking bad itself? I don't know. Talk to your partner.
Right.
What? So the idea that what is normal sex?
Yeah.
What is a normal penis? What is a normal female body? What is a normal vagina? All of this getting hijacked without being able to, like, what is normal beauty? Is the standards have changed after Instagram.
Right.
Earlier we were able to compare ourselves to mohalle ke teen bacche ya cousins.
Yeah.
Now someone sitting in Bihar is comparing themselves to someone sitting in Boston.
Yeah.
So ये बिहार बॉस्टन का जो डिफरेंस है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट जा चुका है.
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम वो है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज की. कॉन्टेक्स्ट जा चुका है, एंड दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम.
Right.
And second could be, then you feel bad about using it. So you already have a negative understanding of what
Right.
you're doing. You're judging yourself. And we do not know all of these research. Research के साथ problem ये है कि कोई ये नहीं देखता कि already negative attitude है क्या इसका. Masturbation के लिए, porn के लिए. We don't have that kind of... See, when people read research, they need to understand that research needs to have something called a control.
Right.
These people already feel bad about them. That's one of the major reasons they're coming to you for research.
Right.
To understand themselves. So we don't know how much of those negative thoughts are playing into the so-called behavioral compulsions towards porn.
Right.
Behavioral compulsions towards food. There are a lot of people who dislike themselves so much. They think the world dislikes them. The only refuge they have is food.
Right.
The only joy they feel in their entire day is when they put excessive amounts of calories in small little pieces in their mouths.
Right.
Now that is a problem. That it has been cut, the food has been cut off from its context, where it was supposed to be not just nutrition, but also a way to relate to other human beings.
Right.
Food was a part of community building.
Yeah.
Now food is part of coping. That is the problem.
And when we say, you mentioned people need to understand that, okay, if am I consuming this, so the shame and everything needs to be, left aside. But if someone is worrying about, oh, am I a sex addict? Am I doing this wrong? What are the things a person should
पहली बात
look
तो
out?
DSM-5, which is the Diagnostic Statistic Manual, जो सारी दिमागी बीमारियों का लेखा जोखा रखता है, has agreed that there is no such thing as sex addiction.
Oh,
पहली
okay.
बात. There is problematic behaviors around sex, for sure. There are compulsive behavior around sex, but addiction is a very technical term and it shouldn't be used ऐसे ही.
Okay.
It's not the same as cocaine addiction. It's a behavioral compulsion.
Right.
जैसे कोकेन में अगर आपको कोकेन एडिक्शन है तो मैं आपको कहूँगा कोकेन मत करना. हमारा एंड पॉइंट है कि सोबर हो जाओ.
Right.
सेक्स एडिक्शन में एंड पॉइंट ये नहीं कि कभी सेक्स मत करो.
Right.
राइट. फूड एडिक्शन, अरे फूड कंपल्शंस होते हैं.
Right.
एंड पॉइंट ये नहीं कि इस बंदे को फूड खाना देना ही नहीं है.
Right.
यहाँ पे the point is to improve the relationship with the action.
Right.
And see what that action is fulfilling in them. Has it become the only way to cope with life?
Right.
That is what we are after. We're not after, because see, होता क्या है कि बहुत लोग बहुत समय से religious लोग जो है ना ज़्यादातर वो इसको घुसाने की addiction की कैटेगरी में घुसाने में लगे हुए हैं. अरे भाई ये एक anxiety based डिसफंक्शन हो सकता है, एक एंजाइटी बेस्ड डिसऑर्डर हो सकता है. प्रॉब्लम एंजाइटी है,
राइट
प्रॉब्लम वो कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म नहीं है.
राइट
दूसरे एडिक्शन में प्रॉब्लम सब्सटेंस प्लस एंजाइटी होती है.
करेक्ट
अगर मुझे एमडीएमए का एडिक्शन है, मुझे वीड का एडिक्शन है, वहां पर मेरी एंजाइटी तो है लेकिन सब्सटेंस भी है जो प्रॉब्लमेटिक है.
राइट
यहाँ पे सेक्स प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं है, कैसे किया जा रहा है, किस रूप किस वजह से किया जा रहा है वो प्रॉब्लमेटिक है.
राइट
तो डीएसएम बहुत लंबे समय से रिलीजियस लोगों को रेजिस्ट कर रही कि बाबा इसको एडिक्शन मत बोलो.
Yeah.
क्लिनिकली ये टेक्निकली ट्रू नहीं है और किताबें लिखी जा चुकी हैं इसके ऊपर.
दैट्स व्हाट इट
आप आज भी सर्च करेंगे सेक्स एडिक्शन एक टर्म है अपने आप में. डीएसएम नहीं मानती है इसको, लेकिन
या
डायग्नोस्टिक स्टैटिस्टिक मैनुअल का 5th एडिशन तक आ चुका है, वो भी नहीं मानता है इसको. लेकिन वो ये कहते हैं हाँ ये प्रॉब्लमेटिक बिहेवियर हो सकता है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं है. आप ह्यूमंस बीइंग किसी भी चीज़ को प्रॉब्लमेटिक बन सकती है हमारे लिए.
या
ज़्यादा हंसना, ज़्यादा रोना, ज़्यादा खाना, ज़्यादा सेक्स का, ये ज़्यादा क्या है वो जो है ना वो सबके लिए एक नहीं है.
राइट
प्रॉब्लम ये है ज़्यादा का मतलब आप ही बता सकते हैं. ओ क्या मैं ज़्यादा मैस्टरबेट करता हूँ, कैसे पता लगेगा? अच्छा, क्या आपके जो काम करने वो नहीं कर पा रहे हो आप? क्या आपकी रिलेशनशिप्स खराब हो रही हैं? क्या आपके शरीर को आप दर्द दे रहे हो, फिजिकली दर्द दे रहे हो? तो ये कुछ सवाल आप पूछोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा आपकी थ्रेशहोल्ड अलग है.
राइट
ये बहुत ज़्यादा खाना खाती है, अरे क्या ज़्यादा है, वो कितना वर्कआउट कर रही है वो भी तो देखो.
राइट
ज़्यादा क्या है, उसको हमेशा इंडाइजेशन रहता है, उसको हमेशा एसिडिटी रहती है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरवेट है, उसका बीएमआई, ये कुछ मार्कर्स होते हैं आपको बताने के लिए. लेकिन ये मार्कर्स क्या एक रेंज हो सकती है, ह्यूमन रेंज, लेकिन ये सबके लिए एक ही हो वो अलग वो नहीं है.
राइट
आप समझ पा रहे हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. If people are looking to educate themselves also, what are the sources people need to go to? Because on the internet there are, I mean, it's crazy out there.
देखिए सोर्सेज में जहाँ तक भी बात है, ज़्यादातर आप सेक्स एजुकेशन में प्लीज़, मुझे बोलते हुए थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लगता है, उन जगहों पर ना जाएं जो कि ऑलरेडी किसी मेंटल हेल्थ इंस्टीट्यूट से जुड़ी ना हो.
राइट
इंडिया में जैसे नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ है,
जी
ठीक है, वो अपना एजुकेटेड गेसेस देंगे. अमेरिकन साइकोलॉजिकल एसोसिएशन है, कैनेडियन साइकोलॉजिकल एसोसिएशन है, ये वेबसाइट्स ऑलरेडी हैं.
राइट
अब बस ये है कि इन पे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो थोड़ी फन नहीं है, उसको पढ़ना आसान नहीं है.
या
देयर आर स्पेसिफिक वेबसाइट्स रिलेटेड टू दी साइंटिफिक प्रोजेक्ट्स फॉर टीन सेक्सुअलिटीज एज वेल.
राइट
तो ये वाली सारी चीज़ें जो टीन प्रोजेक्ट्स हो गए, आप प्लीज़ देखिए कि वेबसाइट चला कौन रहा है.
राइट
क्या इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा कोई मंदिर, चर्च, गुरुद्वारा, मॉस्क है, या ये एक साइंटिफिक वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण से चलाई जा रही है?
राइट
क्योंकि देखो बहुत बार क्या होता है, मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन के खिलाफ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, सेक्सुअलिटी सबसे अच्छा तरीका है आपको कंट्रोल करने का, अगर मैं उसमें शर्म ऐड कर दूँ तो.
राइट
ये सदियों से होता रहा सबसे ज़्यादा औरतों के ऊपर.
जी
औरतें और दूसरे औरतों को कंट्रोल करती हैं, उनको ऐसे शब्द बोल के जिसका मतलब हो कि हाँ ये सेक्स बहुत ज़्यादा करती है.
या
अब बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत कम क्या है मेरे को पता नहीं.
राइट व्हाट इज द राइट नंबर?
नो बट दैट इज डजंट दैट व्हाट इज, हम कम ज़्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं. राइट
Right.
रॉन्ग हमें पता है क्या है.
करेक्ट
ह्यूमन सेक्सुअलिटी में राइट रॉन्ग हमें पता है, रजामंदी के साथ हुआ है नहीं, उसमें ऊपर नीचे नहीं है, वो हाँ या ना है.
राइट
ठीक है, हम कम ज़्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उससे आपको मैं शर्मिंदा कर सकता हूँ, और जिस दिन मैंने आपको शर्मिंदा किया मैं आपको कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ.
राइट
लेकिन साइंस को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है आपको कंट्रोल करने में, ना उसके पास टाइम है. साइंस कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं कि 4 लोग बैठे हैं, वो साइंटिस्ट हैं, वो आपको कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं. नहीं, इट्स नॉट एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशन.
राइट
सो साइंस इज जस्ट देयर टू से ये, बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट मैटर नहीं करता है.
राइट
Cultural context is very, very important to be noticed
Right.
as well. Because if I come from a culture where my relationship to my body, I've never masturbated in an in a way which is guilt-free.
राइट
Most men, for example, in India would masturbate. We live in big families. We will go to a bathroom. We'll go to washroom. We'll masturbate alone
या
without making a sound. it's already an act that मुझे दूसरों से छुपाना है, शर्म है उसमें,
Yeah.
ठीक है. अब अगर वो excessive masturbation कर रहा है तो उसके पास vocabulary नहीं है, और फिर आपको इतने सारे मतलब ब्रो साइंस वाले, जिम साइंस वाले लोग मिल जाएंगे कि नो नट नवंबर, नो
Yeah.
फैप दिस, एंड आई एम as a mental health care provider, I'm looking at it, I'm like, it has no scientific basis.
Yeah. I mean, what even was No Nut November? How? Why
देखिए,
would?
इसके पीछे ना एक हिस्टोरिकल एस्पेक्ट है, एक साइंटिफिक एस्पेक्ट है, जिसमें मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है.
Alright.
हिस्टोरिकली मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग ये थी कि यूनानियों को, भारतीयों को, इजिप्ट में, एंशंट किसी भी कल्चर को ये नहीं पता था कि एक औरत के अंदर अंडे होते हैं.
Yeah.
A woman has egg inside her.
Right.
They did not know this. They thought that a man puts his seed inside the earth, and that's why women are always compared to the earth.
Right.
And there the seed will come up.
Right.
Right? So, अगर आप masturbate ज़्यादा करोगे तो ज़्यादा आपका सीमन
Yes,
नहीं निकलेगा, तो आप मतलब कमज़ोर हो जाओगे.
Right.
First, this was a very unscientific understanding.
Right.
Right? So, इसकी वजह से there was this understanding कि masturbation is wrong. कि आप
Okay.
कमज़ोर हो रहे हो.
Right.
Right? Second was कि बहुत कम जगहों पर रनिंग वाटर होता था, तो आपके हाथ हमेशा गंदे रहते थे.
Yeah.
अब आप गंदे हाथों से अपने जेनिटल्स को छुओगे तो क्या होगा? बीमारी होगी.
Right.
राइट. सो ये तो हिस्टोरिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट हुआ. अब क्या है कि साइंटिफिक कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि अगर आप साइंटिफिक स्लैश रिलीजियस, बहुत सारे रिलीजन्स में है कि अगर आप मैस्टरबेट नहीं करोगे तो समहाउ आपके अंदरूनी शक्तियाँ आ जाएंगी और आपका बॉडी वापस सीमन ऊपर अपटेक कर लेगी और आपको मतलब चक्रास खुल जाएंगे आपके. देयर इज नो एविडेंस फॉर दिस.
Yeah.
बॉडी अपटेक्स ऑल डेड सेल्स एनीवे,
Right.
बट देयर इज नो. हाँ, इसमें ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ सकता है, क्योंकि आप कोई भी मुश्किल चीज़ करने जाओ और उसको थोड़ा बहुत कर पाओ तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है.
Right.
बट वो इसलिए नहीं कि हमने सीमन बचा लिया अपना.
Right.
राइट. सो दैट द आइडिया इज दैट. फिर इसके बाद ठीक है, ये तो मेन मैस्टरबेशन की बात है. वुमेन मैस्टरबेशन में क्या वो कर सकती हैं, उनमें तो सीमन नहीं आ रहा बाहर.
Yeah.
See, that's the whole understanding. The moment you ask 3 or 4 scientific questions, this entire sand castle starts to, this
Collapse.
illusion starts to
Yeah.
collapse. Female masturbation wasn't even studied properly until 1900s.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
too recent.
Yeah. And some people were so afraid of female masturbation that some cultures would even cut off the clitoris of a woman because she would enjoy sex too much. See, human beings have had pardon my French, a fucked up relationship with sex.
Yeah. They clearly have.
When it's not discussed in the living room, it's never guaranteed to be good in the bedroom. It's massive how much shame we've given to men for just having sex with their own selves.
Yeah.
अब वो shame आया, अब उसकी body तो सीख चुकी है कि stress निकलेगा आपका masturbation से थोड़ा बहुत. So then that becomes a cycle. I'm afraid and I'm like, छी क्या किया, but अभी वही करना है, वही पता है. That's the same thing with cigarettes. That's the same thing with alcohol. So that way, this is compulsive behavior. I can understand why people think it's addiction.
Addiction, right.
लोग बेवकूफ़ नहीं हैं, लेकिन एक साइंटिफिक पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि वहाँ हम आपकी रिलेशनशिप ठीक करने की, वहाँ एंग्जाइटी और सब्सटेंस दोनों में प्रॉब्लम है.
Right.
यहाँ बिहेवियर उतना प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं जितना अंडरलाइंग एंग्जाइटी है.
So, what is it people should look to treat in situations like this? It is obviously not the
Meet
sex part.
somebody who knows.
Yeah.
Stop taking advice from people who do not know.
Yeah.
And treat it with meaning and importance, right? The way you would treat your lungs, the way you would treat your cough,
Right.
the way you would treat a fracture, go talk to a professional.
Right. There's so much shame around going and talking to a professional who, I don't know, deals with anything related to sex. Because if you look around on our roads and everywhere, we have advertisements, Gupt Rog, call. And then there's so much shame that comes attached to, like, this is the beginning. Like, if you have a problem,
And
you
it's a
cannot
brave
even
thing
go
to do.
to.
Listen, it's a point on not just bravery, it's also a point on bearing logic to it.
Yeah.
It is a brave thing to do to seek help.
Right.
And you don't have to tell everyone, just go tell the person,
The person.
who's concerned.
And it's not just, and this is just if you have any questions, any, doubts in about yourself, about the things you're doing. Then comes the other part, which is, be it STDs or any such
STIs, yeah.
things. People are so scared. There's so much stigma around STDs
आजकल हम
as well.
STDs नहीं बोलते, हम STIs बोलते हैं,
STIs,
sexually
oh.
transmitted infections.
Okay.
Infection को disease बनने में समय लगता है, right? तो इन्फेक्शन इसलिए भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि एक न्यूट्रल टर्म है. जैसे
Right.
कोविड में मुझे आपके छींकने से भी इन्फेक्शन लग सकता है,
Right.
राइट? कोविड में हमने क्या सीखा कि एक पैथोजन की, एक वायरस की, एक माइक्रोब की मोरालिटी नहीं होती है,
Yeah.
राइट?
Yeah.
ठीक उसी तरह से हमें सीखता है कि अगर सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड कुछ लगा है तो उसमें मोरालिटी का कोई हिस्सा नहीं है,
Right.
right? That's why commercial sex workers also deserve the same kind of respect that you would give your sister.
Yeah.
The same kind of respect that you would give anyone else.
Of course.
And the same kind of care, medical care that anyone else would deserve. If I'm a commercial sex worker and I go to the doctors, it's hard for me to admit that I've had sex with a lot of people.
Yeah.
See, problem is that we are not able to get rid of the stories that we've heard about sex and about ourselves.
Right.
जिस दिन आपने ये स्टोरी खुद की बना ली, कंटेक्चुअलाइज कर लिया उसको कि मेरी आवाज़ यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, तकलीफ मुझे हो रही है,
Right.
उस दिन आप थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ पाएंगे.
When it comes to listening to your own voices, I would like to also bring up a topic wherein now pretty much the youngsters, the youth, are maybe aware of certain things. They have the internet, and wherever they are getting their information from, whatever little bit of sex education they are receiving in their schools, colleges, wherever from, people are having sex at a particular age, young, youth, in colleges or anything, and they are also open to experimenting with their sexual experiences. What are the things that a person should keep in mind, or certain hygiene issues, certain safety issues that they should keep in mind? Because obviously whatever you're reading on the internet, watching on the internet, might not turn out exactly to be the same as you thought.
हर डेटा पॉइंट, हर इंफॉर्मेशन पॉइंट नॉलेज नहीं होती.
Right.
We are living in an age where information and data is available everywhere. There's no dearth of information. There's dearth of knowledge. Knowledge is what? Contextualizing that data. What does it mean for me?
Yeah.
And wisdom की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं हम, ठीक है? Information, knowledge and wisdom.
Yeah.
कि उसका मतलब contextualization के बाद उसका मतलब क्या है मेरे लिए, उसको करना क्या है उसके साथ. We're not even talking about that. I'm not able to contextualize the data that's available. What's okay for what I'm seeing for an American mind and an American body, how do I contextualize that for me? I don't know.
Yeah.
This was okay in Netherlands and Sweden. How do I make this okay for me in my bubble in India? I don't know that.
Yeah.
Right? So if someone is trying to open up and have sex with people, the few things that we always talk about is stay safe, stay realistic,
Yeah.
stay consensual,
Yeah.
right? That is when you are of the age of having sex,
Right.
When you're no longer a minor, you are, you are a legal body, say for example, and bodies are all legal. But what I mean is that you are the age of consent. You're above
Right.
the age of consent.
Right.
Make sure that you are using protection. Make sure you're being realistic, and make sure you're talking a lot about it. And consent is very, very important. Consent be continued and enthusiastic consent.
Yeah.
Not like, theek hai, I don't know. No.
Yeah.
No. Make sure to listen to your body. Even if
Yeah.
you've given consent and it hurts, stop,
Right.
slow down, understand the traffic signals. Hey, what is green for me? What is where we need to talk? What is
Right.
amber? What is an absolute no-no for me?
Yeah.
So these are some of the things that you need to keep in mind.
Right.
Whom are you trusting? Whom are you not trusting? Are you sharing your nudes with people? Are you
Right.
not sharing your nudes with people? See, the thing is, just know one thing. The moment it's on the internet,
Yeah.
you have no control over it,
Yeah.
right? Which is not to say don't do it. I'm no one's buaji, right?
Right.
But what I will say is, if you're doing it, know what you're doing, and
Right.
how you're doing, and why you're doing it,
Right.
right? So yeah, these would be some of the things that I would say. Communicate, communicate, communicate. Stay realistic. Your
Right.
life is not porn.
Yeah.
Stay consensual.
Of course.
And it doesn't have to be like these written consents. Just even during the during the act, make it sexy. Ask, hey, is this
Yeah.
okay? Are you still with me?
Yeah.
Ask those things. It doesn't
Right.
have to be, oh, stop. ठीक है,
Right.
ठीक है, सब ठीक.
Yeah.
You don't have to break the moment,
Correct.
right? But वहाँ इन सब educational things पे तो हम तब पहुँचेंगे जब अपनी शर्म से थोड़ा सा हम जूझ पाएंगे.
Correct.
देखिए, शर्म से जूझने का मतलब ये नहीं कि बेशर्म है हम. हमारा अपने शरीर से एक रिश्ता बन चुका है जिसमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. बेशर्म नहीं है हम
Right.
रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं.
Of course.
लेकिन हम शर्मिंदा भी नहीं.
Right. We need to change the narrative around it.
शब्द.
entirely. Right.
नैरेटिव, शब्द. नैरेटिव किससे बनता है? शब्दों से.
शब्दों से.
Right.
Right.
If your language is such that you are like,
Yeah.
मैं शर्मिंदा हूँ. नहीं यार.
क्या कर दिया मैंने?
Yeah. ठीक है, was not the experience I liked.
Right. And it's okay to have experiences where you
You don't
like things that does
afterwards.
not.
Yeah.
Right.
You don't have to
yeah.
continue doing it.
Right.
If I
That-
don't like it, I will stop.
Then there's again shame around people. So, oh, am I not able to satisfy my partner?
Yeah.
Is the-
First of all, you're not a performing monkey in bed. Whether you're a man or a woman,
Yeah.
you're there to experience and share an experience.
Right.
The moment you make the space which is meant for sharing experiences into a performative circus,
Right.
no one is laughing. You are the joker, but no one's laughing.
Yeah.
Right? So the idea is you are not there to be a certain size, to last a certain time, to उसकी expectations कुछ हो नहीं हो.
Yeah.
Or follow BEST, which is BST, before sex talk.
Yeah.
This is who I am. This is what I like. Let's see where's the overlap from what we like.
Yeah. I think there's too much fuzz around
Yeah.
talking itself,
Correct.
talking to your partner itself.
Somehow we want to desperately recreate that porn movie that we've seen.
Yeah.
There's a different context to it, different lighting to it,
Yeah.
different chemicals involved in it, different pills involved in it, different
Right.
genetics involved in it,
Right.
right? Different breaks involved in it, different communication. It's not you. You're not a porn artist, and that is okay.
Yeah. So tying your self-worth also to how you perform in bed
Exactly.
is something so problematic in
You're not a
itself.
performing monkey. Your genitals are not the tools to show how enough you are.
Yeah.
They are a tool to just experience your own body with yourself or with another.
Right.
That's all. That's the simple definition of the purpose of your genitals. Yes, they recreate, but they are also the way you know yourself.
Right.
They're also the way you experience parts of you that you haven't otherwise.
Of course. Experiencing parts of you also comes wherein people are not aware of their own body. A lot of times we are, like you said very early on, that teaching kids also like good touch, bad touch, or this is what your body is like, is something that does not happen here as often. Maybe now parents have started doing that. Even good touch, bad touch is a very recent
जैसे
practice.
लैंग्वेज में भी हम पहले अल्फाबेट पढ़ाते हैं A
Yeah.
B C, कॉन्जुगेशंस बाद में आते हैं, लिटरेचर उसके बाद में आता है,
Yeah.
शेक्सपियर उसके बाद में आता है.
Yeah.
राइट. सो सेक्स एजुकेशन को हम ऐसा ना देखें एक ही बुक है, इनको अब डेट डिसाइड करो, टाइम डिसाइड करो और एज डिसाइड करो कब देनी है ये बुक.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं होता भाई. एक एजुकेटर ऐसे बात नहीं करता.
Right.
एक ऐसे बात करने वाला वो इंसान है जिसको एक तो या तो वो अज्ञानी है इस पर्टिकुलर बात में, या उसको बहुत डर है अंदर से कि क्या हो जाएगा अगर ये पता लग गया तो. आपके बच्चे वैसे भी सेक्स कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. I think parents are
Yeah.
also in this little delusion that no.
It's a delusion that reduces their anxiety कि मेरा
Right.
बच्चा अच्छा है, मेरा बच्चा ऐसा नहीं करेगा.
Yeah. The being अच्छा tied to you not.
Because that makes me feel less anxious. वो
Yeah.
मुझे शांति देता है. मुझे उससे शांति नहीं मिलेगी कि मेरा बच्चा अगर कभी ऐसा करता है तो उसको पता है वो क्या कर रहा है.
Yeah.
उसको पता है वो मना कर सकती है, उसको पता है वो मना कर सकता है.
Right.
उसको पेरेंट्स भी आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो किसी को किसी दूसरे को सरस्वती देने के लिए जब उसके पास ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
देखिए लक्ष्मी और सरस्वती आप तभी दे सकते हो जब आपके पास में है.
Right.
वॉलेट और हेड तभी काम करता है
Yeah.
जब इसमें कुछ है आपको पास देने के लिए.
Right.
हार्ट जो है वो दे के ही आता है. देवदत्त पटनायक की एक बहुत अच्छी बुक है द सीक्रेट ऑफ देवी. उसमें ये कॉन्सेप्ट है कि हेड हार्ट वॉलेट का. आप समझिएगा ऐसे कि किस तरह से हम भूल जाते हैं कि हम उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात, जैसे अब यहाँ पे आप मुझसे बिठा के एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स का कोई सवाल पूछ लें, मुझे नहीं आता, लेकिन तो भी क्योंकि अब कैमरा मेरे ऊपर है, लाइट्स हैं, ये इंटरनेट पे जाकर चलो कुछ तो बोलते हैं जो इंटेलिजेंट है, मुझे नहीं
Yeah.
पता बाबा. बट सेक्सुअलिटी, साइकोलॉजी ऐसी चीज़ें कि हमको सबको लगता है हम एक्सपर्ट हैं क्योंकि मेरे पास
Right.
बॉडी है.
And at some point I have had sex, so I think I know it. It's different at every point of your life. It is going to be different with different partners. You cannot learn one thing and apply it everywhere.
Yeah,
This is also something I think people really need to learn. And this is also something, whatever sex education we get is something never treats us, because I think we are also fed an idea that you're supposed to be with one person. Or at least back in my school, it was like, you will have sex once you're married. Once you're married.
Yeah.
It happens once people get married.
या वो दूध का ग्लास जो हम देते हैं
Yeah.
उससे सारी सेक्स एजुकेशन आपको आ जाएगी एक ही रात में.
Yeah.
ये वो किताब है.
So like I was saying, when schools also teach sex education, they have their certain limitations, they have their certain set, I don't know, particular syllabus about it. But I think something very important schools are leaving out these days is teach children about their sexual orientation, identity, because children will question these things at some point. And what are your thoughts on that? How does, if someone has to inculcate
देखिए,
these things to people, how can
teachers
they do it?
को खुद को उतना नहीं पता होता जनरली स्पीकिंग, बिकॉज कोई सेक्स एजुकेटर का कोर्स नहीं है इंडिया में, और एटलीस्ट नहीं होता था. अगर अभी है तो मुझे पता नहीं होता था. इनफ फॉर दोज टीचर्स हु आर इन द क्लासरूम राइट नाउ to know what they're talking about. Everyone thinks because they have this vehicle, this body, they are expert on this.
Yeah.
You're only an expert on the experiences inside this body, not enough to generalize this on everyone. For
Right.
that we require science. अगर आपको दर्द हो रहा है,
Yeah.
डॉक्टर आपसे पूछेगा आपको दर्द कहाँ हो रहा है, यहाँ हो रहा है. डॉक्टर कहेगा नहीं यहाँ नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ हो रहा है. आप कहोगे नहीं तुम्हें क्या पता, मेरे को यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है. फिर डॉक्टर बताएगा करना क्या है,
Yeah.
टूटा है कि नहीं, एक्सरे होगा क्या. अब आप कहो मुझे यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है, जब मैं ऐसे करता हूँ तो सबको यहाँ दर्द होना चाहिए. नो, यू आर एन एक्सपर्ट ओनली ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस, नॉट इवन what that experience means in a generalized form and how
Right.
to cure it. We're all born with this curious body, and but without any map of how to know about this body.
Yeah.
But with a mind, with the capacity to know how to know this body, for sure. So, इसी क्वेश्चन से यह है कि अगर एक टीचर किसी को सेक्सुअलिटी के बारे में बता रही कि भाई सब स्ट्रेट नहीं होते हैं,
Yeah.
कुछ गे भी होते हैं, कुछ बाइसेक्सुअल भी होते हैं, कुछ ट्रांस होते हैं, कुछ एंड दीज आर जस्ट द नेम्स वी नो, दीज आर द कैटेगरीज वी हैव क्रिएटेड, बट नेचर स्टिल डजंट केयर अबाउट द कैटेगरीज यू क्रिएट.
Right.
तो LGBTQ+ एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मुझे अभी तक पता नहीं. ये LGBTQ+ तो अभी वेस्टर्न कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैटेगराइजेशन है. इंडिया में 18 शब्द थे, 18.
Yeah.
बट वो 18 भी पूरे नहीं है नेचर के सामने ना.
Right.
देखिए भाषा कभी भी पूरे एक्सपीरियंस को कैप्चर नहीं कर सकती.
Of course.
वही एक टूल है, लेकिन
Yeah.
और कोई टूल नहीं है. Sometimes you just don't have words to tell who you are, and that's okay as well. The roots of your desires don't always have to be labeled.
Right.
If they're not labeled, that doesn't mean they're not valid.
Correct.
So teachers just teaching people diversity, that there are diversities of not just bodies,
Right.
of desires, of relationships,
Correct.
but in a way which tells the young people, you don't have to belong to one category or the other. You are who you are, and you're okay the way you are,
Right.
as long as 1, 2, 3, 4 is not happening. As long as no one's forcing you, as
Right.
long as your body is not being hurt, as long as whatever
Right.
you need to talk about.
So it really just comes down to telling people that there is more to things.
There is more to life than language and
Right.
my books can capture.
Yeah.
That's all. Life, the only way we know how to deal with life is through our imagination, but our imagination is also not enough, but that's all we have.
Yeah.
There's more to life than you can capture in a book.
Right. And I think that's pretty much what I had in my
Okay.
questionnaire. But if there is something you would like to add for our audience who are young people or their parents or educators or anyone who is out there legally having sex, anything you would like
शर्म
to...
से नहीं, साइंस से काम लें.
Yeah.
है ना?
I think-
शर्म को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से रिप्लेस करें आप. जितना ज़्यादा आप शर्म को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से रिप्लेस करेंगे, उतने ज़्यादा आप सुरक्षित रहेंगे.
Yeah.
शर्म अपने आप में कोई बचाव नहीं है किसी चीज़ का.
Yeah.
अगर शर्म से ही दुनिया सुधर सकती तो आज हम एक अलग दुनिया में होते.
Yeah. True.
शर्म पे आपका जितना विश्वास है, उतना विज्ञान पे विश्वास रखें, उतना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पे विश्वास रखें, उतना कम्युनिकेशन पे विश्वास रखें. केवल सेक्सुअलिटी नहीं, दुनिया जीवन के बहुत सारे दूसरे पहलू भी सुधरने लगेंगे.
Yeah, I think that's a wonderful note to leave this conversation on. शर्म पे नहीं, science पे विश्वास रखे. I think that's a wonderful thing I would like to leave everyone who's watching this podcast on. Please practice safe sex. If you have any doubts, any questions, go see a professional and always communicate. I think these are a little takeaways from this, and I hope you have gained some kind of information, much needed information on this topic. And if you've liked this episode, please don't forget to like it, share it as much as you can, and do leave a comment for us and let us know how much you like this episode. And don't forget to subscribe and push the notification icon so you never miss out on such episodes. Thanks a lot.